Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from a Dabble, okay? So it's really easy and simple. First things first, okay, you can withdraw to your chosen bank account via bank transfer. What do you need to do? Tap on the settings cog right here, okay? This one. And then you want to choose the withdraw option in the menu, and then just tap on add a new bank account to basically add to your new account. You're going to be adding a new bank account. If you haven't had that added already, then you fill out the required information and just select add a bank account to save these details to your account. Things like your full name, your account number, things like that. And you want to ensure that this includes your full name because look, this is very important for successful payment. All right. Now, once you have a bank account added, what you want to do is you want to tap on the amount you wish to withdraw from your available balance. You can tap from these options right here. Then you want to tap on the account you actually wish to withdraw to. Then just tap on complete the request. Okay, tap on withdraw to complete the request. So here you can choose your bank account you want to withdraw to, the amount right here. Then just click on withdraw, and boom, guys, your withdrawal will start to be processed. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, if you're withdrawing for the first time, you need to wait for at least 24 hours. So I hope this video helps you out, guys. And if it does, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. And I'll see you in the next one.